Hey folks, another cool night across the valley. Temperatures in the 60s in most locations, the exception Harlingen, Raymondville at 56 degrees, cooling off more quickly than everybody else, but otherwise we're in the 60s. 64 in Port Isabel, Weslaco at 61. Overnight, we drop into the 50s pretty much everywhere. We got to level out in Harlingen, stop there. 62 at the beach, about 52 McAllen and Weslaco, about 50 in Rio Grande City. And tomorrow it just doesn't warm up as much. Tomorrow's high is likely back in the upper 60s. That's about it. The island may touch 70. Northerly winds at about 7 to 15 miles an hour, so a much cooler day than what we saw today across most of the valley. McAllen actually went over 80 today, while Brownsville stayed in the 60s most of the day. So a contrast. Tomorrow we'll all probably stay in the 60s with an average high of 67 degrees. The normal for this time of year is 75, or the 30-year average. But below that tomorrow, below that on Wednesday and Thursday, we're right back up to normal. But as we warm up, we add moisture to the atmosphere. We add moisture. That brings the possibility of a few showers. Maybe not so much Thursday, but Thursday night, Friday night, a decent shot. A big chance of rain north of us, perhaps some flooding rain in the middle part of Texas. In the meantime, satellite tonight just shows patchy clouds kind of coming and going today, and future tracks suggest it keeps doing that overnight into tomorrow, and the more prevalent cloud cover will be in the eastern half of the valley again tomorrow, much like it was today. Either way, it's going to stay cool, probably, as we showed you, no warmer than the 60s. Wednesday, I think the clouds thicken up, increasing cloud cover. Don't think we see much in terms of rain Wednesday, and probably not a lot Thursday either. I think it's just a cloudy day, but there's going to be enough moisture, enough lift in the atmosphere to maybe give us a brief shower in one or two spots Thursday, but very isolated. Most places stay dry, but then Thursday night into Friday, our rain chances are going to go up. We've got 20% in there for Thursday. Friday, we're at about 40%, and there is a possibility of a thunderstorm or two around the area. So we're going to have to watch this pretty carefully as we get closer. Look at the contrast across the state. 67 in McAllen, 23 in Dalhart right now. Even Dallas 41, Austin at 46. Here's the big picture. Let me just show you what's going on. The lines represent the winds in the upper atmosphere. What we want to watch for is this big storm system coming into the west coast. It'll show up on the map right about now. Here it comes. That's going to be moving eastward. We are on the east side of it. And look at Texas on Friday. Snow and ice in the Panhandle. Big time rain in the middle part of the state. A little bit of rain down here. We'll be watching for our rain chances to peak probably about Friday. Here's a look at the rest of Texas for tomorrow. 42 in San Antonio in the morning. Dallas is 33. Stays cool across most of the state most of the day, but there will be sunshine across a lot of Texas. So tonight, partly cloudy and cool. A low of 52. Northeast winds, and tomorrow only 67. I think a mix of clouds and sun. Northerly winds at 5 to 15. So here we go. 67, 70, 75 on Thursday, about a 20% chance of a shower. Scattered storms perhaps on Friday, a shower, perhaps even a thunderstorm mixed in. Better chance of rain north of us. We're going to be on the south edge looking up. And then Saturday, spotty leftover showers. By the end of the day, some sunshine. That should last into next week. And oh yes, it will cool off once again. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.